just to like test the waters. I don't know who sent me to test the waters. I don't know what came over me to say, oh, try to wax. I don't know the spirit that came over me that said, oh la la, let's buy wax strip. Who did I think I am? No. Who did I think I am? What came over me? What entered my mind that said, this girl, you should try waxing? Because when I was buying this thing, I did. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola Kumbi and I make videos relating to lifestyle and skincare. So if this is your first time here, please do make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, drop me your comments, turn on the notification bell just so you get notified every single time I post a video. And don't forget to check my previous videos because why not? I mean, why not? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for coming back. And I noticed that a lot of you who watch my videos are not really subscribed, so please subscribe. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about obviously skincare. I mean, you saw the thumbnail. I'm going to be talking about to me, it's not a product per se you use on your skin, but it's something you could do to enhance, or at least they say you could do to enhance your skin. And I'm going to be talking about waxing. Now, why did I say waxing like that? I don't know what came over me to say, oh, try to wax. I don't know the spirit that came over me that said, oh la la, let's buy wax strip. Who did I think I am? No. Who did I think I am? What came over me? What entered my mind that said, this girl, you should try waxing? Because when I was buying this thing, I don't know. I feel like I saw it cheap or affordable, and I just thought it's not bad to try. Let's just give it a try. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking, or ladies and gentlemen, because I feel like guys watch my videos. I'm talking about this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is the Beauty Formula Vitamin E Wax Strip. You guys, my pain tolerance is very low. I don't like pain. I don't think anybody should like pain. But you know, I've been seeing all the girlies and the girly pops say, oh, they've been waxing, it's good for your skin, it helps against ingrown hair, it helps against bump. And not like I had bumps. I mean, my life was good. I shave and I use Vit's hair removal cream. But how I shave in a way that you don't even get bumps. I don't have bumps, I don't have ingrown hair. My skin it's not bad. I saw this at the store and it was going for like an affordable price, and I'm like, again, it will not hurt if I try. I will not die if I try it. Again. So I bought this, and to be honest, the first time I used it, I just used one just to like test the waters. I don't know who sent me to test the waters. I wanted to cry. Like literally, I was on a call with my friend Timlade for about 30 minutes to try to distract myself from the pain. It did not help. So I think I tried that like first week. I did this. Then I used it yesterday. And I'm like, let's not waste money. Let's just. Hey, you guys, I wanted to cry. So I waxed my legs and my arm. My skin is shining. I'm not mad at the results. I honestly am not mad at the result. I am honestly not mad. I'm not pissed at the result. But you see the pain. I was doing it and tears were in my eyes. I was distracting myself with SpongeBob stupidity because I was watching SpongeBob. You guys, I wanted to cry. I took Panadol extra. I know I might be being extra, but if you know me, I don't like pain. I don't like needles. I don't like things that, I don't like, peel-off mask. I stopped using peel-off masks because, I don't think things should be this painful. Let's just go into it. I feel like I've been ranting about this product for 4 minutes. When I did buy it, I did check online and only one person posted a video. And to be honest, I don't even remember if she gave a good review. She was like, it was painful. Okay, she did say she would rather get professionally waxed than doing it herself at home, which is true. But to be honest, I don't think I can even handle waxing professionally. So this, I got it for like 1,700. It has 20 wax strips. For my legs and my arm, I think I used about 5. So like I said, the first time I got it, I did try to do a practical on it, and yesterday I used like 5, so I'm left with 4. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm left with 4. So when it says 20, this is regarded as 2. I'm not going to waste it. I don't like wasting money, if you guys don't notice. I don't know, I watched this video, Chennai to Lagos, where they were like, they did a whole waxing thing, and I would see that Kapla would rub the wax. I don't know, maybe she was just warming it up. So she would rub it and open it up. She would open it up like this. Let me remove my camera from autofocus. So she would open it like this. So this is regarded as 2 strips, and this is 1. This is 1. You could use 1 strip multiple times. Let's say give or take 4 times, depending on how airy you are. Because yesterday I used like 1 strip. My legs were like crazy, and I was in pain. But you would. How do I describe? I don't have any hair on my body anymore, and again I'm at work. You would put the strip on your skin facing the direction of my hair grows like this on my hand. So I would put the strip and then lay the wax and rub it, warm it up to my body towards this direction, and then yank it off towards this other direction. And yeah, hair will come out. Hair would come out. My only disadvantage to this is, I think every gum strip, I think that's what you call it, would be is the aftermath. To remove the gum is not my favorite thing. So what I would advise is use oil, dab oil on a cotton pad, or basically you could just put the oil on your body and then use a cotton pad to clean off the gum. I think the oil kind of like melts the gum, and you're good to go, and just have a shower, and then I put my gel on top of it just because for added moisture. And again, you just stripped your skin, so you have to be gentle with your skin. Yeah, is this something I would be doing in the future again? Non-professionally, to be honest, no. Even professionally, I think no, because yeah, it says you could use it for your legs, underarm, bikini area. I don't know which sane person would do this in their bikini area themselves. I don't think any sane person. But then people's pain tolerance, you guys, kudos to you. I used it for my legs and my arms. Even my armpit, I could not. No, I would rather stick to lit hair removal than waxing, especially myself. So yeah, basically this is it. It says after waxing to remove, dab them to remove any remaining trace of wax left on your skin. Dab them with the back of the used strip. Why did I not read this? I didn't actually think of that. Once all the hair has been removed, any excess wax can be removed with a cotton wool pad or tissue moistured with baby oil. That works. Do not use soap, water, or alcohol to wipe away any. Don't, because it does not work. I mean, it's gone. So yeah, that is it on the beauty wax. You guys, it is something you should try out, basically. Quick, clean, and easy. It is quick if you are fast enough. So yeah, that is everything I have to say about the Beauty Formula Vitamin C Wax Strip. Oh, sorry, I've been saying Vitamin C. Vitamin E Wax Strip. Beauty Formula Vitamin E Wax Strip. If you've used this deadly product before, drop it down for me in the comment section. And if it's something that you already bought or you are planning to buy, just to give it a try. I'm not scaring you. I mean, like I always say this in my videos, our body is different. The pain your body can handle might be different from the pain my body can handle. I mean, I don't even like peel off mask. So if you are someone that you're good enough, you could use it for your arms. The results are not bad. I kind of like the result. I'm not pissed about it. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you on my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.